Hi, my name is Derek Persley, and this is the Derek Show. Why I'm coming on here and talking about sports? Because I'm a sports junkie. I eat, breathe, and sleep sports. I love sports. My wife is kind of getting tired of me talking about sports all the time, so she told me to do this. So I'm doing it. Now, when I talk about sports, I'm going to give my words only, my perspective. It's how I feel about sports. Now, if people don't like it, click the button, you can move on. I don't care. But this is how I vent. This is how I get it out. Now, I would love to go on a sports show, battle Skip Bayless on his Sports Center, but I can't. So this is what I do. Now, if teams do good, I'm going to talk about you. Teams do bad, I'm going to talk about you. If teams do some shiesty stuff, I'm going to talk about it. Because, like I said, I'm a sports junkie. This is what I do. Since I love talking about it, this is how I get it out. So, remember this. This is my words. If you don't like it, hey, I don't know what to tell you. But, my first topic on next time's show will be the Dallas Cowboys. You want to hear me talk about them? Tune in. Because I got some good things I got to say about them, and I got some bad things I got to say about them. But, if you want to know that, just tune in, and you'll see. Till then, this is the Derek Show. Get back at you.